If you want to hide all your old posts on Facebook quickly, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to limit the audience for posts you've already shared so your past posts are no longer visible to everyone. This is a great option if you want a cleaner profile, more privacy, or you simply want to control who can see your older content. Before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tech guides. Alright, let's get started. First, open Facebook and make sure you're signed into the account where you want to hide the old post. Once you're on your main Facebook page, look toward the top right area of the screen. Depending on whether you're on desktop or mobile, the layout may look a little different, but the process is still very similar. Now click on Settings and Privacy. This is where Facebook keeps most of the privacy and account controls. After that, click Settings. Inside the Settings menu, look for the Privacy section and open it. Facebook has a lot of options here, so take your time and look carefully. Once you're in Privacy, scroll until you find the option that says Limit the audience for posts you've shared with friends of friends or public. This is the setting that lets you bulk hide older posts without having to change each one manually. When you find it, click Limit Past Posts. This tells Facebook to go back through your previous posts and change their visibility so they're only visible to friends instead of a wider audience. Facebook will usually show you a warning or confirmation message explaining what this action does. Read it carefully because once you confirm, all your past public posts will be limited. If that sounds right for you, click Confirm. Facebook will then apply the change across your older posts automatically. It's important to know that this does not usually affect every single privacy setting on your account. What it does is reduce the audience of your old posts, which is exactly what most people want when they say they want to hide all posts on Facebook. If you want even more privacy, you may also want to review your future post audience settings, profile visibility, and story settings separately. If you don't see the option right away, make sure you're using the correct account and that you're in the main, settings, and privacy menu. Sometimes Facebook updates the interface, so the wording may move slightly, but the path will still be close to settings, privacy, and then limit past posts. If you're on a phone, tap the menu icon first, then follow the same steps from settings and privacy. After you confirm, Facebook will process the request and your older posts will be restricted to a more private audience. That means people who are not allowed to view friends-only content will no longer be able to see those past posts. It's one of the fastest ways to clean up your profile and protect your privacy without deleting everything one by one. And that's it. You've now learned how to hide all posts on Facebook using the built-in privacy tools. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.